Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I'm going to teach you the professions, les professions. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, we are going to do the professions, les professions. I have divided this series into two parts. In the first part, that means in today's video, I'm going to teach you some of the professions and rest of them we are going to cover in the second part of this video. Before we start with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video, and the topic is les professions. Les professions. Now, here there are some of the professions. Here I've written them in English. There are two columns that I have made, masculin singulier et féminin singulier. That means this is the masculine singular version and these are the feminine singular versions. Now, let's start with the first one. The first one is an advocate or a lawyer. Now, an advocate or a lawyer in French is known as avocat. Avocat. In French, we do not pronounce the last consonant, which is T, so we don't pronounce it. Avocat. Feminine would be avocat. So, in order to make it feminine, what do you normally add? You add E. Avocat, 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 avocat. The second one is musician. Musician is musicien. 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 Now, feminine of this would be musicienne. All the words which are ending with en, in order to make their feminines, you are going to add E-double-N-E. So, en, E-double-N-E. Musicien, musicienne. Musicien, musicienne. Electrician is électricien. Électricien. Electricien. Again, that's ending with en, so in order to make it feminine, I have added E-double-N-E. Électricien, électricienne. Électricienne. The next one is mechanic. Mechanic is known as mécanicien. Mécanicien. It's very important that you repeat after me so that you improve on your pronunciations. Now, mécanicien. Mécanicien. Again, it is ending with en, so in order to make it feminine, E-double-N-E. Mécanicienne. Mécanicien, mécanicienne. The next one is pilot. Now, if you see in all these four, the masculine version is already ending with E, right? So now the rule states, if your profession is already ending with E in the masculine form, then in order to make it feminine, you will not add any extra E. That means the masculine and the feminine version are going to remain the same. Now, pilot is known as pilote. Pilote. Feminine would be same. Pilote. Journalist is journaliste. 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 Feminine would be same. Journaliste. Artist is artiste. Artiste. Feminine would be artiste. Same. The next one is painter is peintre. Peintre. The feminine would be the same. Peintre. So, avocat, répétez après moi. Avocat, avocate. Musicien, musicienne. Électricien, électricienne. Mécanicien, mécanicienne. Pilote, pilote. Journaliste,
journaliste. Artiste, artiste. Peintre, peintre. Now the next one is photographer. Photographer is known as photograph. Photograph. Now photograph is not photograph. That's photographer. Photograph, femina, photograph. Why? Because that's already ending with E, so the feminine version would remain same. The next one is dentist. The dentist is known as dentiste. Dentiste. Now that is also already ending with E, so the feminine version would be same. Dentiste, dentiste. The next one is gardener. Gardener is known as jardinier. Now all the words which end with ER, all the words which end with ER, you pronounce this ER as A. So it's jardinier. Jardinier. Now, if you see all these professions which I've written, this, all these are ending with ER, right? In order to make them feminine, the profession which ends with ER, if you want to make them feminine, of course you're going to put the extra E, but this E, the preceding E, is going to take accent grave, the back accent. So this is jardinier, this is jardinière, air, this is air, and that's why you put accent grave. Jardinier, jardinière, right? The next one is a baker. Baker is known as boulanger. Boulanger, boulanger, femina, boulangère. Again, you put accent grave, boulangère. The next one is a plumber. Plumber is known as plombier. Plombier, femina, plombière. So you see, it's ending with ER. In order to make it feminine, you will put A, R, E and E with accent grave, plombière. The next one is a firefighter. That's known as pompier. Pompier. Feminine would be pompière. Pompière. The next one is a nurse. A nurse is known as infirmier. Infirmier. Femina, infirmière. Infirmière. Let's repeat. Photographe. Repeat after me. Photographe. Photographe. Dentiste. Dentiste. Jardinier. Jardinière. Boulanger, boulangère. Plombier, plombière. Pompier, pompière. Infirmier, infirmière. The next one is a butcher. Butcher is known as boucher. Boucher. Again, if you see, it's ending with ER. In order to make it feminine, ERE and E with a back accent, which is accent grave. So, boucher, bouchère. Boucher, bouchère. The next one is a cook. Cook is known as cuisinier. 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 Femina, cuisinière. So, ER, then ERE, E with a back accent. Cuisinier, cuisinière. The next one is a fishmonger. The person who sells the fish or all the seafood. So that's poissonnier. So if you know, poisson in French is known as a fish. Poissonnier, femina, poissonnière. And the last one is an astronaut. Astronaut is known as astronaute. Astronaut. Now you see that's already ending with E. So in order to make it feminine, you will not add any extra E. Astronaute. 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 On révise. Repeat after me. Boucher, bouchère. Cuisinier, cuisinière. Poissonnier, poissonnière. Astronaute, astronaute. And that's it for this video. This was the first part of our series Les Professions. In the second part of the series, we are going to do some more professions along with the new rules. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.